Hello everyone, we are Sorted Food and this is Fridge Cam.
Now today is one of those horrible videos where we get electrically shocked for fun.
Yes.
So another chance to play You've Had a Shocker, and this time we're joined by true expert Chetna and your phenomenal samosa recipe. Thank you.
Oh, I am so excited and so looking forward to that.
I think you're going to love this game. What are they looking for?
They are looking to give a nice golden, crispy samosa, not pale looking, really nicely golden, packed with the stuffing, the filling, the potato filling, which needs to have a cake, so right amount of spices, and it needs to be crispy and flaky all at the same time.
So two of the boys are going to be hooked up to a shocking device. It's going to give them a little bit of shock whenever they go away from the recipe, bad kitchen practice, or whenever we think it's just appropriate to give them a bit of a buzz. And as before, at the end, you're going to pick Chef Special, so whoever you think has performed best and contributed most to the efforts, and well, you know what happens. They've both made samosas before,
Okay.
so it's all to play for.
Right, so I've mixed it up, I've gone leg.
Why have you done that?
I don't know. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take potatoes, okay? We're peeling, we're going to peel these. I'm going to peel these, I'm going to wash them, I'm going to peel them.
Ah! And 5 tablespoons of water, what happened?
I've already done something wrong.
Is it worse?
The leg is a large muscle.
You shouldn't be peeling the potatoes. For me, I think it just is much easier and it just does stay in one piece once it's boiled.
Now you know.
I have a funny feeling that you're not working as a team.
Okay, no. Give me a chance. I haven't made a mistake yet. Give me a chance.
But did you let Mike make that mistake?
No, I wasn't.
Did you?
I let.
They're going to have to work as a team. I know they've divided. Barry is doing the pastry, Mike is doing the filling, but they can help each other.
I'm going to now create my pastry, get it all in a bowl first. Then I'm going to bring it together and turn it out onto a board to flatten out. Half a teaspoon of carom seeds.
Carom seeds
No.
are deliciously authentic. We didn't have any in our dry store, so there are 3 spices there. Fenugreek, caraway and fennel. Use whichever you think is closest.
Sorry, this is so difficult.
Oh, wait, okay, right. Okay, I remember the flavour.
Oh. I can't help you. I physically can't help you. I mean, I can do this.
I've made my decision. Some caraway. Oh no, I'll go again. I've got to go again.
Let me step in. We're a team. 100% cumin seeds.
Oh, okay, cool, wicked. Yeah, obviously, cumin seeds.
No, what happened? I took one in the leg.
Then in that case, it's definitely fennel seeds. Just be polite, okay, be positive.
We're having a lovely time. Thank you for teaching us. I mean, we're in trouble as it is.
Oh God!
I was just looking to see whether I could do any steps while you're making dough. Temper the spices, surely that just means,
I reckon
heating them up. Because you have to heat spices to unlock the flavour, right?
that sounds about right. In a dry pan.
Cumin seeds, chilli powder, garam masala, mango powder. That was wrong.
It's a dry pan. It'll burn the spices, so you need some oil.
Judas.
So I would prepare the tempering once the potatoes are ready. Once you've peeled the potatoes, chop them, that's when I'll temper the spices so that as soon as it's ready, you'll add the potatoes and they'll absorb all the flavors.
Should I put this on the side or should I put this in the fridge? There's no butter in it.
No.
Yes!
Aren't your spices burning?
They're actually doing really well. No.
So sorry! That was a...
What have you done?
I'll put it in the fridge.
Don't put it in the fridge.
What time did you start resting it?
Ah, probably only 5 minutes. It was enough time for me to burn the spices.
But that was a good dry run. When your potatoes are ready, you can go
It wasn't
again.
a dry run, Ben. I needed to use oil. We've been through this. I got shocked for it.
I don't feel like I can shock him for something that's just him.
Right. Spices again.
Oh God!
What?
Not yet!
These have to be cooled before you...
Oh.
Just a suggestion, and this is a personal preference, but just peeling it with a little edge of a teaspoon, just if it is really hot, don't put hot potato skin under your fingernail.
Do they actually think they're going to use that size of potatoes into the mixture?
How could you? Divide the dough into 6 pieces, roll the pieces into circles and cut them in half. It's my time to shine. Thought I did well on the spices. Look at this rolling. Brush the straight edge with water, fold into a cone shape and load up the filling.
I brushed the wrong edge. You need to fold it very slightly first to get a cone shape and then you fill it. And you hold it like that.
And then
It's just all come flooded back to me.
oh good, it's only taken 45 minutes.
Compliments from the sofa on your samosa shaping.
Yeah! Fry in batches and serve. Ready, mate?
I am ready.
We're going in with 6 at a time then. Okay, we are good to go. 180. Oh, wait, okay, when did you flip those?
Well, just about a second ago.
Okay.
I don't think these are far off done actually.
Well, you've done this before, so...
I know what I'm looking for, and they're not there yet. I reckon they're good.
Yeah? Yeah! No, they're not.
They need to be slightly browner than this.
So leave it, so a little bit browner.
Yeah.
Cool.
So, Chetna, while they're frying the last batch, have you got a chef special in mind? Who do you think's done the best effort?
Mike had the easier task of boiling potatoes.
To be fair, Barry's technique with the cone was strong.
Yeah, really, and he got it straight
I would
away.
say he stitched Mike up quite a bit. I'm going to give you both. So your left hand is Mike, your right hand is Barry. Shock whoever you want to lose.
Ah! Okay. Oh.
Thank you.
Because when you burn the spices, you said...
Did I burn the spices? Oh, no. And there you have it. That is traditional samosas with a little help from Chetna. Thank you very much. And some aversion therapy. Sorted. No! Oh.
Blistered, golden, and...
Oh, yeah. Delicious.
The spices are perfect, not burnt at all.
It's a very tasty samosa.
Really good, now can I come up?
Make sure you go and subscribe to Chetna's channel. Also check out her workshop because that's how you really make samosas and you don't need any electric shocking. If you enjoyed that, give it a like.
I enjoyed it.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah.
Massive thanks to Chetna once again for getting involved and just, well, I don't know, sort of immersing herself in it.
The best bit of that for me was that no one told her that she'd have to go on to the little thing at the end.
Oh no, we
the
didn't.
thing.
We didn't, and she
And
was
that
a really good sport.
Yeah, that was
But
amazing.
also, she does make incredible samosas. We've filmed an entire workshop, as we've been telling you, which is an amazing thing. So make sure you go down into the description and click on that link, find out all about it, and go and get it. It's brilliant.
Now, talking about links and talking about shocking,
Oh yeah.
do you want to have a shocking dad joke of the week?
Yes, please.
I think this is a really bad one.
Oh.
I'm really sorry already.
Get your angry commenting fingers ready.
What does Charles Dickens keep in his spice rack?
I don't know.
The best of times, the worst of times.
That is.
I Can
Get
I
out
take
of my
that one
face.
back?
Get out of my face.